tricks. So in this session we are going to see the Polaroid images or Polaroid cards and how can you give the fade or fade out images for images of the text, and how can you give the text in the corners, top left, top right, and how can you give the responsive galleries. That all we will see now. So let us have a look for Polaroid cards. So this Polaroid cards is like your visiting cards, like in the daily life you can see, right? So have a look at the code. So this is what the Polaroid card text here I am giving. Here is the in the HTML card I am giving an image. First I will give the div class as flower class I have given. So I'm writing it in a separate div. So div class equal to flower, image equal to image name, alt, style, and I'm going to give here something. So before it is paragraph, right? So paragraph, welcome to coding tricks. So here I want to give in the separate div. And for the images of course, see for the style I have given for the flower as width 80% I have given, background color I have given as white, and we have seen about the box shadow in our previous sessions, right? So all this I have given, box shadow is 0, 4, 8, 0, and the colors I have given, and margin bottom I have given as 25. So what at the bottom I should get 25 px margin, so I have given here margin bottom as 25 px. And whereas so this is the style for the flower, and for the container I have given as center. The container should be center and the padding should be 10 and 20 spaces. So have a look at the output. So this is test 6. So I'm going to open with Google Chrome. So you can see the image card. So actually the card is this much, but the image is here. You can see now. This is the image card. Okay, this is about the image, responsive image card. So see, however I am doing the size, like increasing or decreasing, you can see the image effect. This is about this responsive. This is about a Polaroid card. This is the card, and here we can write any text. Like I'm from my name is so and so, and my address is so and so. Like this, you can use this. So this is about the Polaroid card. So next, coming to the transparent image. So this transparent image is nothing but like if you want a dark image, if you want the light image, how transparent the image you want, you will go with this. So the only one property for the transparent image is opacity. So only with that property we can get the darkness or lightness of the image. The value will start with 0 and it will 0 to 1 only you should give the values. Between 0 and 1 you can give any value you want depending on your opacity. So here I have given the image, and here I have given the style as opacity 0.5. This is what known for the transparency. Only opacity, you can remember that opacity is just for transparency. I'm going to save this and then I'm going to refresh this. So you can see here, this is with 50% opacity. So I will give here now 0.1. So you can observe the difference of opacity. See, the image is very light over here. I will give as 1. You can see the difference. So this is the actual image without any opacity. So this is how you can give the transparent images. So if you want the image as a clear image, you will give 1. If you want any transparency, like you can give 0.9. So you can observe the difference between all these things. Then whatever you want you can use. So little bit dark, little bit light, like that. So next, coming to the next one is made as a text. So how can you become the text? So how to position the text in an image? Just now we have said that it is top left or top right. How can you give the image as a position left right? So let me copy this. I will show you. So let me remove this. So this is what I have given. So I'm giving the class div class. I've done the image. I've written the image and I've written the container. In the container, I'm going to write the image and div class equal to top left. Two div classes I'm writing, top left and top right, because I want to use these two at a time. You can use a single one also, div class equal to top left. If you want to write the top left, you will give left, right, or like that. So coming to the styles I have given for the containers, position is relative. So we have the different positions, absolute, relative, all this. So we will, you already know about this, right? So container position is relative I have given, and coming to the top left, position is absolute, and top I should get it as 8 px, and for the left it is 16 px, and those whatever I'm writing the style should be 18 px font size. So same as for the right I have given position, top right, and the font size. Whereas the image I have given as width is 100% because it should be fit. Then height, opacity we have given. Opacity just now we have seen about the transparency, right? So height I have given as 100. So here I'm going to add some text. So add some text to an image in the top left corner. So you will write some image over here. Anything like hello. I'm going to write hello. So I'm going to save this and I'm going to show you the output. Wow, I got top left, top right. Whatever you want, you can write here. Top left and top right. Top left and top right. Just now I've written a hello. So I've got hello in the text. Whatever you want for this image, you will write the description over here. Even top left, here you can write whatever you want. Like this is left. I am left. So here I will write I am left. I am right. Like this. So whatever, if you want to write any images like any things like here, you can write it here. I am left, I am right, like this. In some situations we want to write in the corners some text, right? So in that situations this will be helpful. If you want to write the bottom left or bottom right, you can also write. For the same thing you will write as bottom left and bottom right. So here I have given bottom left and bottom right. So you can see the image here. So this is for the bottom left, and I have given the image here within the container. I have given the image and div class equal to bottom left I have given. Even the text also I have given as bottom left. And same thing, position, bottom left, font size, all this same. Position is relative. All this you can see the output. So this is what bottom left. So here the actually it is 100%. The width is 100%. So you cannot see now. So let me reduce it. So you can see 25%. So here you can see it is bottom left. So if you want to write the text as in the bottom left, you can write here. If you want to write the text in bottom right also, you can write. You can same way you can change the styles. Then you can write the bottom right also. So this is how you can do with the bottom left, right, and top left, top right. All these things you can see. So next, coming to the image filters. So let us see what is image filters. So with the help of this image filter property, CSS filter property, you can add visualize effects like blur, saturation. Like we can see the mosaic effect. Mosaic effect we can see like so. Not exactly like that effect. It is a blur and saturation effect. We can see this. So the filter property is not supported in Internet Explorer or H12. So this is what you should remember. Let us have a look at this. So here I have given images. So you can see the different effects of this. Don't think that wow, this much code. So according to your wish, you will write all these codes. So first have a look at the output, then only you can understand. So this is what the effect. See the effects. See the difference of all these images. You can observe all the images differences, right? See the last image is also this. So all these images will be coming with the filter property. So what is this code? So here I have given the first, I will show the HTML part. Just I have given image with name and alternate values like that. So here I have given image class equal to blur, brightness, contrast, grayscale. All these properties I have given like for the image classes. So I'm going to write the style here. So let the image width is 33% and height float is left side float and max width is 235. This is the maximum width of the image I have given. So coming to the properties of the images. So for the blur, so for this one, what I have given filter property blur 4px. So till 4px will be blur. Brightness is 250% brightness. You can see the image. See here. This is for blur. This is the main image. This is a blur image. So this is a brightness image. So you can observe the difference. So, let me give here like 150%. You can see the brightness now. You can observe the difference actual and this one. Brightness is this. So this is how. And then contrast. 180% contrast for the next image. 180% for this contrast image I have given. Then grayscale. Grayscale is the next one. So 100% grayscale I have given. Q rotate 180 degrees. So it will rotate 180 degrees. And then invert 100%. Opacity 50%. This one. And then saturate 7, sepia, all this you can try. So whatever it is useful while you are developing the sites, you can use all these. So for the last thing I have given shadow effect. So shadow effect I have given the color as green color. You can see here shadow effect. Here you can observe the green effect. So this is about the color property. This is about the image filter. So this image filter property will be most useful while you are developing the pages. With this, some effects it will be shown. So you can have a look at these properties: all blur, brightness, contrast, grayscale, rotate, invert, opacity, saturate, sepia, shadow, all these things. So have a look at the output. This is the output. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.